Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. For longer length wall areas, a splice plate is often used to create the illusion of a continuous panel running the length of the elevation. An installation pattern, 1/3, 2/3, full panel, should be developed to avoid having splices all being in a straight line up the elevation. The splice plate is attached to the backside of one of the panels in an area where more than one panel is needed to complete the length of the elevation. On the backside of the first panel, apply butyl tape approximately 1 inch to 2 inches from the edge of the panel. Then place half of the 6-inch splice plate over the area. Flip the panel over and pop rivet the splice plate through the butyl tape in an area that reduces the visibility of the pop rivets. Color variations in accessories have been used deliberately in this video for clarity. Typically, all accessories are consistent with the panel colors unless otherwise desired by architectural design. Install the panel to the wall and fasten it accordingly. Install the next panel in the run, making sure it is engaging the panel below it and covering almost the entire splice plate. A gap of 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch should be maintained between the two panels to allow for thermal movement. A horseshoe shim can be used to help maintain the gap. For more installation details, please visit www.atas.com.